everybody. My name is Jodie Jordan. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. You can find me on social media as the Blue-Eyed Crafter. Today I'm going to show you some of the pre-order items that I have purchased for the 2022-2023 new annual catalog. First up is Pretty Prints. Some of the coordinating colors for the Pretty Prints is going to be Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Evening Evergreen, Gorgeous Grape, Petal Pink, Rich Raspberry, Shaded Spruce, Soft Seafoam, Soft Succulent, Sweet Sorbet. I really like the leafy part of this. Now on the back, what I'm doing is I am trying out a new way to store my papers so they're easily accessed and I can keep them all together. Okay, so next up is going to be He's the Man. He's the Man is going to have Basic Black, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Sahara Sand, and Soft Succulent. Now this designer series paper comes with 2 sheets of, these are not stickers, they're just die cuts, and I can't wait to show you how to use those later on. Okay, I'm just cutting out the back because it has the coordinating colors on the back, so I don't have to look at my catalog. I can just have an easy access, and I'm just tucking that in the back there. Some of them come on a card and some of them don't. Okay, so next up is Perfectly Penciled. And it's pretty simple with these, black and white. Now this is a new way that I'm trying to see if I can keep my papers more organized. I have other storing systems, but for now I'm just going to put my designer papers in these little kind of envelope type things. And I ordered those from Stampin' Storage. I will make sure to link those down below. Now this designer series paper is not going to be in the catalog, but it's current right now. It's called Waves of Ocean. I'm kind of late to getting this. Kind of sad that I'm late to getting this because it came with a really gorgeous foil paper and some gems, and I missed out on that. You will see me do probably something real soon with that because I want to use those papers. Now this next paper is Sun Prints. The coordinating colors for this is going to be Gray Granite, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, and Starry Sky. It's a very pretty paper. I have so much to choose from now to get started and start samples for everyone. This next paper is called Hues of Happiness, and the coordinating colors in this is going to be Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Grainy Apple Green, Mango Melody, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, and Pool Party. I like the sides that's not flowered the best in that one. I don't know why, I just like the way it looks like a little rainbow. Now these papers right here are a specialty paper, and it only has 3 sheets in there. It's called Brush Stroke. The colors are going to be Blushing Bride, Soft Succulent, and Night of Navy. It's very, very thin paper. It's almost like, I don't want to say copy paper, but it's really thin. Like it could easily tear. So I went ahead and put that backing in there to keep it straight. So now we have the new in color Glimmer paper. And let's see if we can find that sheet. Let's see, those colors, these are 5 new colors. Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and Orchard Oasis. And this is not like a sparkly glimmer paper. It's more, it's kind of, I don't want to say on the flatter side, but it's not as sparkly as, it would normally be. Now this is, this paper is going to come in several different, like it'll come in the brights, the neutrals, the regals, and the subtles. Now this stack is going to be the 2022, 2024 in colors. So that'll be the same colors that I just told you in the glimmer paper. Again, they really did a good job designing this paper. I wasn't as happy with the one that they had last year, but this one I really like. So you can get this in every single color in the catalog. Now the next one is going to be Tea Boutique, and it has coordinating colors of Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Fresh Freesia, Orchard Oasis, Parakeet Party, Petal Pink, Starry Sky, and Sweet Sorbet, and Tahitian Tide. Now there are a lot more papers to come. They just only let us pre-order a few. I'm going to start doing videos each week on the sweets and what you can make with the sweets. And I will be starting with this one because if you request a catalog from me, I am going to put a special project with this paper in there. And that's how I'm storing my paper. As I use my scraps, I put it on the bottom. Thanks so much for watching, and tune in next time. Bye-bye.